Welcome to our course for Sound and Sonification Design for Interactive Learning Tools. We're excited to help you learn about sound and good sound design. Remember that even though we have lots of experience in this, every sound design project is different and there are no immediate right answers. Instead, we're going to go through our process for sound design and explain how you could apply it to your own work. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Brianna Tomlinson, and I'm a PhD candidate at the Sonification Lab at Georgia Tech. You'll hear from myself and Emily Moore, the Director of Research and Accessibility at PhET Interactive Simulations from the University of Colorado Boulder throughout this course. We've worked hard to create a course to help you learn about sound design, evaluation, and implementation for interactive learning tools. And we've gotten help from a lot of collaborators. Bruce Walker, my advisor and the head of the Sonification Lab, contributed to the development of these course materials. And thank you to everyone who has helped create this course. This material is based upon work supported by the National Science Foundation under grant number 1621363. Throughout this course, we'll give you examples of what's worked well for us, and we'll walk you through the design process that we follow. We'll start with some introduction to sound design terminology, talk about mappings, and discuss how to identify the concepts that you want to highlight. Then, we'll talk about how to prototype your design, how to complete evaluation, how to analyze the results from your evaluation, and how to iterate on your own sound designs. We'll include both good and bad examples to showcase different things that we've learned. While you might already know some of the content, stick with us and we'll get through everything together. We wanted to start with terminology and make sure that everyone was on the same page before you start prototyping anything. Feel free to explore any of the extra resources for the lessons. We've included a variety of sound, code, and design examples, in addition to extra readings and other information or sources that you might find interesting. It's hard to cover everything, so most of the time we're just introducing you to a topic. Now, before you move on to the rest of the course, I'd like you to take a moment to write down 2 to 3 goals that you have for this class. What are you hoping to learn? Do you want to learn more about designing sounds? Do you already know some and want to learn about evaluation? Or do you want to learn about a design process? Once you've done that, we're ready to move on. Check out the next video to get started.